a new door handle that I just bought for this door. It's a matte black, which goes really well with our new black door. We're getting painted this week, so I'm really excited to get this in there. I've already taken the old one off. A 4-piece set. You put the long nozzle here, and then you would put the lock here, and it's a key lock on the top, so it's a deadbolt. And this would be the inside of it. And you just fit it right in there. And use the key as such. So that'll go on the outside. It'll look like that. It's gonna look, let me see if I can't get it to stay really quick. It'll look like that. It's gonna look really nice. And then I do have the other side, which will go, yep. And it'll kind of lock that way. And then the handle that goes here on the other side. So yeah, it's really, really nice. It's also very customizable. There used to be a little piece that actually sat on the outside of this, and I had to remove it. So that was really easy to do. It comes and it looks just like this, because my door didn't have like a hole for the little insert piece. So I was able to just take that right off, which is super nice. And it sits flush to the door. It comes with everything you need, all the screws, all the little pieces that you need, and the little door inserts as well. So you can get the same matte black. You can just slide them right in there at the top. I did have previous knowledge of how to put a new lock set on a door. So if you don't, you can easily YouTube it. That's what I've done in the past. So yeah, it's really, really nice. Really good material, nice heavy metal, really good quality, nice smooth matte black. I'm really excited. I think it's gonna look really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and I'm gonna kind of get the whole process on video, and I'll kind of speed it up hopefully a little bit. So yeah, really excited to get it on there and show you guys. We're taking this piece, that's the part that goes in and out when you shut the door. Kind of moves on its own. You put it in that way. I'm going to do it flush to the door so when it shuts, it slides into the door and doesn't block it, so it doesn't ruin the door. I'll also show you how to change out these little plate covers. These little plate covers right here on the side. If you don't want gold, the gold doesn't look bad either, but. So yeah. Once you insert the first piece, you just want to slide this in there. Slide it all the way in. There we go. Kind of like to make sure it all fits before I screw it all in together there. Kind of lightly put the screws in with each hand first. There's also a nice black cover that kind of goes over them to make sure the metal doesn't get scratched. Hand first. There we go. Make sure it's nice and tight. Yay! gosh, looks so good. Got that nice and tight on there. Guess I'm gonna make sure it shuts. There we go, very nice. Now we're gonna move on to the top part. Same thing. You wanna insert the piece that it comes with right here. This is the lock part one. You'll be able to tell, I know they probably look very similar, but this one is a retractable and it always goes with the door handle. When you pull on it, it pulls it in. Where this one will be more of like a key and like a hand turning one. So that's how I always tell the difference. I don't know if that's accurate, but that's how I do it. So you want to insert this piece first. Like that. Make sure you take off. It comes with a nice coating on top. It also comes with 3 different keys, which is also really awesome. You don't have to go get any made. Unless you need more than 3, but for me that's enough. But yep, because I always make it go at the bottom of the key area there. So I like to make sure it fits first. Once you know it all fits, screw it all in. Cool. Yep, and I want to screw it all in, and I know it works. Okay, so once you have it flush on this side, and flush on that side, we'll screw it in the rest of the way. Nice. Alright. Looks good. Looks right. There you go. Make sure it shuts. Nice and locked. Everything's good to go.